CO2 breath, which is specifically designed to release excessive amount of CO2 in our system and powering it up and bringing it back in, so that way we can actually use it for energy, for healing, for power that we so much need. So today we're gonna be focusing on 4 seconds exhale and 2 seconds inhale. We're gonna be doing it in and out of our mouth, or if you want to do it, inhale into your mouth and exhale out of your mouth, it's all totally perfect as well. That being said, we're gonna get started. We gotta focus on a deep inhale for 2 through your belly, chest, head, and then exhale for 4. Deep inhale for 2 and exhale for 4. Keep on breathing in that rhythm that serves you and stay with it. With a fine, beautiful breath, deep on inhale, as deep as you can, and as long as far as you can on exhale. Keep on following and flowing in this sense, and just pay attention to every cell of your body, being so aware, so present in this moment. Your brain can focus only one thing at a time. So give your body that intention. Your mind dictates the tempo, your body following whatever it needs to be in control. We give power to our other sources and we don't realize how powerful our minds are. So keep on breathing deeper and deeper. Whatever you are, we've got final 15 seconds left. Can you go faster? Can you go deeper? Can you let that go? Can you bring that intention into this flow? Final 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. This time, give me a massive inhale. And exhale everything out. All the way out. Push all the air out, out, out. And now one last inhale. Hold your breath. Hold your breath on inhale and relax your body. Feel whatever comes up and just observe your body from the top of your head all the way down to your feet, being so light, so relaxed, so settled.